welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this wig from this to this, so stay tuned. Alright, so boom. First you're going to need some warm water and some baking soda. And no, we're not partaking in no illegal activities, just keep watching. Then you're going to need some dish soap. Just take the soap, add as much as you feel like you need, and just mix that in there. Mix it all together with a comb or whatever you want to mix it with. After you finish mixing that little concoction, put your wig in the water. Make sure everything is evenly into the water. What's that word? Submerged. Make sure it's submerged into the water. So after the first round, this is how my water looked. As you can see, the dye is in the water and off the wig. So now I'm going to just repeat the same last two steps with the water, the baking soda, and the dish soap. Mix it together, put your wig in. Just keep repeating it until the dye is off the wig. Alright, so here you're going to see me combing through the wig while it's still in the water and like playing in the hair, because I feel like as you comb it, the dye comes off more without using so much products. I guess, I don't know, let me just shut up. I don't really know how to explain what I'm doing, but as I can see, my method worked, so just continue watching. As y'all can see, that little baby is turning silver. That color is stripping away. Period. Let's go. Y'all can't say I ain't told y'all nothing, because I know a lot of y'all ain't know how to do this or nothing about this method. So give credit when due. Please and thank you. Alright, so basically after this, I just keep repeating these steps over and over until the wig is back blonde or the color that you want to achieve. So I'm going to just be quiet until the end of the video and let y'all watch and learn. As you guys can see, my wig is back blonde. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anybody you know that wear wigs or any of that good stuff.